Hi guys, today 19th July 2024. I am showing you the whole chart. So this is my view on higher time frame. We are still in fourth wave. So yesterday we have seen this move. So this is the ABC correction. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm expecting this fifth wave is extended up to the 2400 or 2433. You can see here the force wave is around between 50 to 61 percentage. As we have seen, the second wave is shallow. See here, second wave is shallow, around 38.2 percentage. So I'm expecting this wave is extended. You can see here, this is the wave one. Sorry, when it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I see Fibonacci, let's check with Fibonacci. We may see around 2397 or 2383. These two level we have to check, and then we may see a fifth level inside the fifth level. So this kind of probability and the trend is up, or we may see a triangle like this, but the pattern is bullish. Any buy entry having a SL of 23,600 or 2351. This is the 600, 2360, 2360. This SL where the second wave was complete. Or you can try the SL 2351, 2351 or 2360. So you can buy with these two SL as per your risk. And first target is 2384 and above that one 2400 and 2430. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I will regularly update on gold. Thank you.